students, my name is Hitesh Narashit. I am from Annavara. So last class we discussed about the topic from 10th standard, that is circles. In circles we already discussed about theorem 10.1, theorem 10.2. So we are discussing about some of the problems based on theorem 10.2. So let us move ahead to the last part of this chapter. So here we are discussing about some more problems based on theorem 10.2. So let us take one by one. Let us move on to the first problem of this video. So here just observe the problem, that is a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. That means inside the quadrilateral we have a circle here. So that means here just observe it touches the perimeter of this quadrilateral. That means so the end points of this one. So here, so it touches here, it touches here, it touches here, it touches here. Means so here dr and ds becomes a tangent, and here cr and cq becomes a tangent. Here bq and bp is a tangent, and cas and ep are tangents. From the external points d, c, b, a respectively we have. But also we know that one. So when we are drawing a tangent from external point, those two tangents are with the length, those two are equal. So already we know that one. So here just observe, we want AB and CD like that. Here just observe AB plus BD is equal to AD plus BC. That means, so here we have to add some equations, that is equality equations. That is, so here just observe, here we have BP and BQ is equal to those two are equal, means here AP and AS are equal. So when we add those two, we get AP plus BP is equal to AB. So that one we get easily. So likewise we have to take here. Yes. So directly I will go into the solution. Firstly we have to draw the diagram. So let's take the solution here. Yes. So already we know that one, that is the tangent drawn from an external point are equal. That is the two tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. Let's take that one, equal in length. So that means from point B, what are the, so let us take from point 1. So from point A, two tangents are drawn, that is AS is equal to AP. That is AS is equal to AP. So it is tangent drawn from the point A. Then from B, BQ is equal to BP. BQ is equal to BP. Then next let us take C. CR is equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ. Then let us move on to the next. So here from D, DR is equal to DS. DR is equal to DS. So here I have equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. So how, after that we have to add this equation. How to add this equation here? So just observe here. So here just observe AP plus BP. So from, we have to add these two things first. So from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. So we have to add. That is 1 plus 2 we have to take. So here we have to add these two. That is AP plus BP. AP plus BP is equal to here AS plus BQ. AS plus BQ. So here AP plus BP is equal to AB. AB is equal to AS plus BQ. We have, I will take this as equation number 3. So likewise we have to add the equations to get CD here. So just observe CR plus D, CR DR we have. So it is CR and DR. Then when we add those two things, so we can get CD. That is add equation 3 and 4. Sorry, here I will take this as equation number 5 and 3 and 4. That is CR plus DR. CR plus DR is equal to CQ plus DS. CQ plus DS. That is, here CR plus DR is equal to CD is equal to CQ plus DS. Here we have equation number 6. So here we have AB and here we have CD, because here in LHS side we have AB plus CD. So that's why again we have to add 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and equation 6. Yes. Then let us take those two. AB plus CD is equal to AB plus CD is equal to AS plus BQ, AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Yes. Then we have to reshuffle according to our RHS. That is AS plus DS. Here just observe AS plus DS. It becomes AD. And here BQ plus CQ. Here BQ plus CQ. It becomes BC. So let us, according to that one, we have to reshuffle the things. That is AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. So this is AB plus CD. So here AS plus DS. So these two things, and from these two things we have the required thing. That is AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So we get the required equation. If it is given that it's a parallelogram. Here it is only quadrilateral. So if it's a parallelogram, we can take AB is equal to AD is equal to BC, AB is equal to CD. We can substitute the equation, and then we have to go to the any other proof. So that is, it looks like rhombus also when it is a parallelogram. So that means only the parallelogram circumscribing a circle means it's a rhombus. So then all the sides are equal, we have to prove. So in that case, but here it is a quadrilateral. So we proved the things that we want here. Yes. So this is the solution of this problem. So let us move on to the next problem. So here, prove that opposite sides of the quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. That means here we have a quadrilateral inside the quadrilateral we have a circle. It's circumscribing, means it touches the end points. Here just observe, here it touches the sides of the quadrilateral here. So sometimes here just observe, it becomes a tangent like that. Yes. So here we have to prove that is, so opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Here is the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Here it is the center. So let us take CD and AB. AB and CD are the two sides circumscribing a circle. Those two are circumscribing a circle. Subtend supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means the sum of those two angles is 180 degree. So supplementary angles at the center of the circle. That means here what we have to do is we have to join the point. That is here we have to join. That is the side AB circumscribing an angle at the center. So this is the thing. Yes. So this side AB circumscribing, or this side AB subtend an angle at the center. Likewise, here also we have to take. So it's the opposite side. And CD is the opposite side of AB. So that's why we have to take the angle subtend. That is, it subtend angle at the center like this. The same we have to take here. Yes. So here, what you have to prove here, just observe this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove, and this angle and this angle is equal to this. The sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree. We have to prove here. So for that, we want sum of the triangles and sum of the angles, lines. Likewise, we have to take. So that's why, firstly, what we have to do? So we have to write the given things. So what are the given things here? Given. So given is the ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle with center O. Circumscribing the center O. Circumscribing the circle with center O. Likewise we have to do this. Circumscribing the circle with center to prove. So what we have to prove here? So here already we know that one. So that is, firstly we have to take here angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. That is angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove simultaneously when it is correct. When it is correct, already we know that one, that is the whole triangle, that is whole the point angle around the point is 360 degree. When these two have sum of these two having 180 degree means the sum of these two is obviously 180 degree only. So that's why we can take that one. So the angle BOC plus angle AOD, that is angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to also 180 degree. So that is we have to prove. So here we have to take the proof. So here I already told you that what's the challenge. That is, firstly we have to consider these two angles, these two triangles, and then we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Then we have to take angle 1 is equal to angle 8, and also we have to take angle 6 is equal to angle 7. So then we can consider this sum, that is angle AOB, we can take it as angle 7 plus angle 8. So then we have to consider the angle around the point. So in all the cases we have to consider. Yes, so let us take the proof. So firstly, for the model of this problem, so firstly we have to take these two triangles first, and then it is similar to all the triangles. It's the same steps will be continuous in the all the other pairs of triangles. So let us take triangle POA and triangle AOS. Consider triangle POA and triangle AOS. So in those two triangles, what are the equalities we can find here? Simultaneously we have to know about other pairs of triangles also. Yes. So here we can consider SOD and DOR, and another here ROC and COQ, and another pair is QOB and BOP. So that one also we have to consider here. So let us take the equalities. What are the equalities we can find? Yes. So here the shows the AP and AS are the corresponding sides of these two triangles, and those two are the tangents drawn to the circle from an external point A. Those two are equal. So let us take those things. AP is equal to AS because tangents from A. Tangents from A, AP is equal to AS we have. Then let us come to these two triangles. Here D is the external point. So DS and DR, those two are tangents drawn from this point D, and those two are equal. And here C is the external point, CQ and CR is the tangent drawn from the external point C, and CQ and CR, those two are equal for these two triangles. And then B is the external point, BQ and BP are the tangents drawn from the external point B to the circle, and those two are equal. For those two triangles, we have to prove it as a congruent. Yes. So here we have the first equality. Then another equality we have to search. Here just observe OA. Here OA is common side for both these two triangles. So that's why we have to take that equality. That is OA is equal to OA because it is common side. Common side for those two triangles. And for these two triangles, what is the common side here? OD is the common side. And these two triangles, OC is the common side. And these two triangles, OB is the common side. So another equality is also holds good. Then let us move on to the last equality. That is, here just observe OS and OP are the radius. Here there are many radius are there. OR is there, OQ is there. So particularly a pair of triangles. Here when we consider the pair of triangles, those two radius becomes the corresponding sides of either two triangles. We are consider it as a congruent triangle. When we have to prove it as a congruent triangle. Here in this case, OP and OS. OP is equal to OS because it is radii of circle. Because it's a radii of circle. Yes, here we have three qualities, and here we have OP is equal to OS for those two triangles, and here OS and OR for these two triangles, and OR and OQ for these two triangles, and OQ and OP for these two triangles. Those are one and the same. Yes. So here we have three equalities. From three equalities we can take congruence rule. Then we can consider those two triangles are congruent. So here we have SSS congruence rule. From SSS congruence rule, we can take those two triangles are congruent. That is triangle EOA and so congruent to triangle AOS. Simultaneously, we have these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles are congruent, and these two triangles are congruent also. Yes. So when we have these two triangles are congruent, we have only the sides, all the sides are equal. So that's why all the corresponding angles are also equal. So particularly we want angle 1 is equal to angle 8. Let us take that one. That is angle 1 is equal to angle 8 because it is CPC. And so simultaneously we have to take other triangles also. In other triangles also, considering these two triangles, we have angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That is similarly angle 2 is equal to angle 3 because triangle SOD is congruent to triangle DOR. And again angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5 because triangle ROC is equal to triangle COQ. Triangle ROC is congruent to triangle COQ. Similarly, we have angle 6 is equal to angle 7. Angle 6 is equal to angle 7 because triangle QOB is equal to triangle BOP. Triangle QOB is congruent to triangle BOP. So here we have 1 is equal to 8, 2 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 5, 6 is equal to 7. So after that we have to take the point, the angle around the point is 360 degree. Therefore next we have to take angle around a point. The sum of angles, let us take the sum of angles. This sum of angles around the point is 360 degree. Let us take that one. That means when we add all these angles, we get 360 degree. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 360 degree. So here just observe we want angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. When we get angle AOB, so here when we have angle 7 plus angle 8, only angle 7 plus angle 8, only we have, then we have angle AOB. And when we have angle COD, so here angle COD means here when we have angle 3 plus angle 4. So all the things we have here in this equation, so we have to express in the form of angle 7, angle 8 and angle 3 and angle 4. Yes, how to take that one? Here we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 8. Here let us take angle 1 is equal to angle 8 because we want 8 and here we want 3. So that's why we can express 2 in the form of 3. Angle 3 plus angle 3 remains as it is. Angle 4 we want remains as it is. Then angle 5 we don't want. That is, here we know that angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So that's why we can insert angle 5 as angle 4. Then angle 6 we don't want. So we can express angle 6 as angle 7. That is angle 7 plus angle 7 remains as it is. Angle 8 remains as it is. 360 degree. Here 2 times we have angle 8. That's why we can take 2 times of angle 8. And we have 2 times of angle 7. 2 2 times of angle 7 plus 2 times of angle 3, 2 times of angle 3 plus 2 times of angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. So here we can take out 2 from all the things. This 2 into angle 8 plus angle 7 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 360 degree. Then I will transpose this 2 to the RHS side. Here just observe angle 8 plus angle 7. Angle 8 plus angle 7 is equal to angle AOB. That is angle AOB plus, here 3 plus 4. Angle 3 plus 4 means it is angle COD is equal to 360 degree by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Here we have the proof. So similarly we can take this all the expression when we express all this complete equation in the form of 1, 2 and 5 and 6. So we get angle AOD is equal to angle COB. That's also possible. Similarly we have angle AOD plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Also we can prove with the help of these things, these equalities. So this is the solution of this problem. So we have to take our required problem and required thing by taking some of the assumption. So let us take some of the homework. Yes. So let us take the homework. One homework here. So the homework is prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So here it is completely related with the first problem. So that we solved in this video. So that is, here we have a parallelogram, inside we have a circle, it completely circumscribing. Already you know about circumscribing. So all these two problems I explained in the video. So that one belongs to the circumscribing. That means the sides of a circle, that is sides of a quadrilateral, sides of a parallelogram, it becomes a tangent. It's a tangent to the circle likewise. So there you have to take the similar steps. So take that tangents, those two are equal, and then you have to add the things, and then you have the one relationship, that is AB plus BC, AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD, like that. In that you have to take some relationship, that is because it's a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal, that's why you have to insert that equality into that equation, then you can get all the sides are equal. When you get all the sides are equal, then only you can consider that one is a rhombus. Otherwise we can't consider it as a rhombus. So try to solve that problem in your home, and also you have to study all the other problems and the whole circles. Yes, I hope you understood this chapter, and also I will conclude this chapter here. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button, keep supporting us. Thank you, and all be safe and stay warm. Thank you.